So the next app we're going to install from this WCMA apps USB drive is the Audacity app 2.4.2. Double click on it. Say yes, it can make changes to your device. English is fine, unless you prefer something else. Next, next, next. Yes. Sorry, I think I might already have it installed on here. So install, create a desktop shortcut if you'd like, reset preferences, install. So just go through the process of waiting. You can press next, and if you feel like launching it right away, go ahead. Press finish. There's lots of places you can find help online, including this forum, or you can just YouTube different topics on Audacity.